I asked Domenic, with Easter coming up, show us all the ways that lamb becomes a part of the family meal at Easter. Not only did he make one Easter lamb, two, not three, no, he made four. Welcome everybody to Vince's at Home. This week we have Domenic back. This time we have his son Amadeo, who has joined the Vince's team. Easter's coming up. So what are we doing?
Back home for Easter, every house you go,
What do you eat?
just lamb. And if you don't have,
Yes.
some people, you know what?
What do?
They go ask the next door neighbor, please, can I try?
So you're gonna make for us lamb different ways.
4 West.
4 ways. My wife's grandmother says it's not a party if you don't have 3 meats. Even though they're the same meat, does this constitute 3 meats?
1 roast,
Yes, okay, so we're making roast.
1 breaded, that's for the kids.
Ah, for the kids.
The kids, they don't eat, no.
Yeah.
They grab like this,
And they eat nice. And then we're gonna make loin chops.
loin chop. I will make 1 with a little sauce, with some potato, and 1 we made like a grill.
These are for the kids.
Finger food.
That's right. I've been given the important job of preparing the chops that are gonna be breaded for the kids on behalf of Domenic, so I better not screw this up, right? Flour, some eggs, and some just plain breadcrumbs. And you have to use your hands for this. This is just the way it goes.
So this way, not because I want to be your boss.
No, I want you to be my boss today. Show me. His looks so much better than mine.
Gotta do it right.
Okay, go. I do. I see. You only have to show me a couple times. Yes, I see.
Buddy,
Don't worry, I'm gonna fix the ones I didn't do right.
Do you fry them or you put them in
better
the oven?
fry.
Vegetable oil. Always fry in the vegetable oil, right?
Salt, pepper, paprika. You know what's that for? That's to make a little juice. When I cut the roast, when I slice, I need a little juice to pour in top. And then, see, the tray cannot be dry because if it get dry, they burn.
What went in the bottom of the pan under the leg was just as important because it made the juice after.
Through the tomato here. This money, when we shop, we don't pay. So that's why you put extra, you know? If we pay, you take less. My friend.
Vince's paste today, beautiful because it's got the tomato, so you can have the bread, the potato. There's something amazing about watching somebody who just knows what they're doing. Do you know what I mean?
Totally.
Like your dad came here today, as soon as he walked in, right away, didn't miss a beat. And then look at this. And then of course, with lamb, contorni.
Contorni.
Contorni is sides.
Now we're eating?
It's time to eat.
Best time.
This is beautiful. Thank you, Domenic.
No problem.
Thank you for coming. Thank you for bringing your dad again.
My pleasure.
Okay,
Thank you.
and for
Thank
all the
you.
dishes you washed today.
That's my job.
You worked hard today. We're gonna dig in and eat. All right, everybody. Happy Easter to you and your family.
Happy Easter. Thank you.